Hi guys, Samsung is working on a Galaxy A53 Pro and it's gonna be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000, which is really strange because it's hard to imagine Samsung using a MediaTek flagship chipset. But before we get into the details, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So Samsung recently announced its mid-range Galaxy A33, A53 and A73 devices, and like the previous generations, the A53 is the most popular of the three devices and will most likely be the best selling among them because it has some interesting bells and whistles like a 6.5-inch Super Amoled display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a bigger 5000 mAh battery than its predecessor, and a new powerful Exynos processor with some improved performance and battery efficiency. But despite being a pretty good device for its price, it turns out Samsung isn't stopping with just the A53. They're working on an even higher variant of the A53 called the A53s Pro, and it's reportedly gonna be powered by the new MediaTek Dimensity 9000. Bear in mind, the Dimensity 9000 is a flagship chipset from MediaTek, which is really surprising because in the chipset market, it's competing with the Exynos 2200 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and it's even better than both of them, especially the Exynos 2200 in some areas. But for some reason, Samsung wants to put a flagship chipset in a quote-unquote mid-range device, and this move could give the A53s Pro an even better performance than the Exynos variant of their S22 devices, which is gonna be really embarrassing for Samsung, especially their Exynos department. Anyway, the device is gonna have a few improvements over the A53, starting with the processor, which will significantly boost the performance and possibly the cameras. Samsung could use its 108 megapixel sensor on the A53s Pro like it did on the A73, and we could possibly see faster charging technology and maybe a better build on the materials. It's gonna be interesting to see how the A53s Pro compares in performance to the Exynos 2200 on the Galaxy S22 series. I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as we get more information, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. And be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.